Yay! Luluto kami ng sinigang ngayon. Nasa papiro guys. Ito na naman. I feel a little bit bitter, so I'm here again in the kitchen guys. Because you know, we cannot go out. It's still raining, cold. You know. So I have to do something that I can exercise inside the house. But this is not exercise because I'm cooking. Hi everyone. So we are 12:30. We don't get lunch yet. I'm still busy. So now I have to cook this kind of fish. They call it sapatero guys. So I make it sinigang with this, okay? Also I have a chicken cube for this, onion, ginger, and tomatoes. I want to add it ng tomato. Isa na natin ito. Okay. Sabay-sabay na natin. Also my onion. Okay, white onion. Hindi kayo white onion. You guys, you know, yung gusto nyo, red, yellow, white, whatever you have in your kitchen, you can use it. Okay? So now what I'm gonna do, I have all my ingredients here, the hot sauce, I did hot sauce chili, you know, for my sinigang. So I know I have a chili sauce. So I can use it for my sinigang guys. And here's my chili sauce. Just put it on. Okay, so I use this tamarind sauce powder, okay, for my fish sauce. You guys, so look at all these ingredients, guys. Alright, so then we have to brush it. The garlic is already here. Isa muna natin ito. I have to do is pakuluhan natin ito dahil bago natin ihulog yung isda. Hindi I can put some I have 2 cups of water and I use guys, you know, for my soup. And then I have to add it, you know, so dagdagan natin ng maybe 1 tablespoon patis. Okay, pakuluhin natin ito bago natin ilalagay yung isda. Ayaw ko kung igisa na isabay yung isda. Okay, so pakuluhan ko muna ito. Pag kumulo na, then I have to drop it the monkfish. They call this one monkfish in Philippines, sapatero guys. Okay. And also I have the scallion onion. This is the one that I have to garnish on my sinigang. Okay. I drop it already one of the chicken cube for my soup. And then I'm gonna make it 1 package of bacon pancit later on for my son. Okay. Alright. So now pakuloyin muna natin ito habang kumukulo. Nandiyan na lahat. Mga karne, sumasalag ko sa inyo guys na mayroon magtutong leaves of angkop. Right? Ilutuin ko muna ito bago ko lulutuin yung pancit, guys. Gamit ko totally sa salt, you know, but hindi natin use the salt. Okay, so I have the Morton salt. Okay, so this one to I use it now, so I can put this one now a little bit, half tablespoon. So I'll wait. Okay. So this is one in a time. I just make it slow, low heat. Itong gagawin kong pansit para hindi ako ma-behind. Tapos na rin ito kasi bake na. So, I have to try ko na itong mga ingredients ng pansit natin. Pansit bihon, guys. So I have this one here, the mamacita. My pancit bihon. This my pancit bihon mamacita. Well, anyway, na-turn it off first kasi ginagawa rin first for pancit bihon. Problem. To buy that. Well, anyway, guys. Okay, ito kumulo na. So, lalakay na natin yung, crack na natin yung isda na hapon. Okay? Yan. Pakuluin natin ito ng mga 15 minutes. And then, you can add the vegetables. There we go. So now, you can wrap it now, you know, the pancit bihon. And so, this is the one, the hot mamacita, okay? So I use it, the hot sauce. This is much better. Killing the germs in your throat, guys. Just kidding. So that is maybe 2 tablespoons on this one. If you guys want more sour, you can put all together this one, all one of the packet, you can use that, but me, I just use it only half. Okay. Now after I cook this one, then I'm gonna make the noodles. We have a light on that one. Okay. To cover up. Oh, this is the cover. In there. So another one here. So we're good to go. Well, wait maybe 15 minutes to cook the fish until tender a little bit, and then we'll put the garnish. Okay. So I have my studying island plan mix it together now with my vegetables. Guys. Side. Okay. Oh my goodness. I never have nothing for me. I use canola oil, for my pancit guys, for my fried noodle. Okay. This is a chicken, shredded chicken that I shredded. My hand is clean. I have my glove on, okay? Lalagay ko na ito lahat para mix para may yung mga ingredients natin. Ito yung chicken broth din guys kapag natin, pang-aroma natin, okay? So, put everything the vegetables in here. So all these things will not get my love. Please wash your hands. Soy sauce. This is 38 less sodium, okay? Yeah, because the other Filipino one, the sauce, soy sauce, is too much salt. So you can use either way, you know. It's optional. So me, I'm using this kind of, you know, soy sauce. Also, just put some, maybe 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Alright. Okay. And wrap it now my chicken cube. This is for the aroma and my chicken cube. A little bit of you know, a sweetie, just a little bit light color, okay? That's what I like all the time, even though I don't have that much ingredients. Aroma of my noodles. This is really good, guys. Almost done on my fish. So what should I do right now? I had you know, the chicken broth that I'm using for my noodle, guys. You see that one? It's automatic. This is, I made this one homemade, what do you call it? Chicken broth. Okay? Alright. So I need to boil that one for a minute, maybe 2 minutes, this one, until dissolve my ingredients with this ice frozen chicken broth. Okay? So we'll wait. Then I cover up, then I put my vegetables, and then I put the noodle in. Okay? So now I have something here that I need to check. You see the fish that I have here right now? See, look at that. This is the half moon fish, sinigang. So we have this a little bit the sauce. Tikman natin kung gaano ka-asim. Kung kulang ang asim, you can add in some sour soup. Very good. Oh wow. You can add it more for the sour soup. Okay. This one that goes over here. Little bit more. Because my son, he loves the sours. Wow. It's good, guys. Yummy. No comment. Very good. The soup. Okay, maybe couple more minutes. Then we're gonna drop the vegetables. And then the sinigang is already done. Okay? Too cold here. So I'm wearing this. It's kinda, you know, lonjan and the kitchen, guys. So sorry. Sour soup. Just put the garnish or garnish, you know, the scallion onion. See that? I'm gonna wrap it now, including with the kangkong. They call kangkong. It's like sweet potato leaf, but it's not sweet potato. I forgot to tell you guys. I just put some couple of okra. Okay? For my cereal. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. My husband nothing to do. He's always sitting down, watching TV. Now cover up. Now this one I think is almost done. And also for my daughter. So this one also will be, the vegetables. This is the cabbage. Okay? Alright. This is my cabbage vegetables. I need already the homemade sauce, for my noodle, because I don't have that for my noodles. They have other soup. Well, this is what I'm saying. I just want to cook only one of this because just us, okay? So I have this golden bihon, to add it on my vegetables, fried noodle later. I have to cook my vegetables first. I don't want to overcook, but still, so I'm gonna turn it off. This one. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, guys. Look at that. My Senegal fish, the mounfish is already done, guys. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, with okra and something else. Wow. Look at that, guys. I'm done. I'm done with my sinigang. I'm done with my sinigang fish. Look at that. I'll show you guys the sinigang fish right now. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you guys for watching of my cooking show. It's pampano. It's not pampano. Monkfish sinigang. Okay. It's sour soup. Tamarind soup. Okay. So now this is done, guys. Now I have to do next is the noodles. Okay. Next is the noodles. So I have to remove all this thing here right now. And the rest is my husband was my dishes. I need to remove this first. Clean it out. This one because I have to cook first, my noodle. Okay. See, look at the vegetables, guys. It's all fresh. Okay. I don't want to, this one overcooked. This is crunchy vegetables. Look at that. No, I'm crabbing, with fried noodle. That's why I have to cook. Yeah. since I came from the Philippines, I don't eat fried noodle yet. So now I'm back. Because I cannot go out, it's too cold. I'm still I have a little cold, guys. Alright. So now what will I do? I will do that. That's one noodles be okay. Alright. Sure, make it this one soft because before we're gonna put it back all the vegetables, guys. Okay. Maybe I need a little bit more water sauce because this one maybe not enough soft on my noodles. I'm gonna add some soy sauce little as it. Okay. Oyster sauce, a little bit more soy sauce, so I'm not gonna add it now. That's it, guys. I have to add some black pepper, ground black pepper, and garlic. Once this one is already boiled and soft, we can add it now the vegetable spice. It's easy. Just like I said, I don't want to cook too much because just two of us and then my son coming home later on. And then we're sharing, then whatever left, we will eat. Okay. Right. Back. Still hard. I'm so hungry. I have to try my mixables with okra and kangkong. Like that. Wow. And some soup. So hungry. More rice for me. Shredded. I could use the other kind of noodle, that's why. This is Philippine noodles. Nice. That. Yeah. Pwede home. Noodles, you know, it's easy to suck all the soup. So you need to be careful. You have to make it slow, low heat. The fire, because it's gonna suck it right away. I'm trying to stop cooking for now because I just been sick. I cannot help it. I need to eat something. Try it with the noodle with egg soup. What I'm gonna do, guys, I have to add it now back, you know, all my ingredients, vegetables, carrot, chicken, everything here. Okay. One is this little bit less of water of the soup, and then we're good to go. We are okay. Look at that. Wow. I love my noodles. This is my kamuting kangkong mixables with okra, guys. Yummy. This is the half-moon fish, okay? Right. Yum yum. Number one, guys, try this. Put the fresh half-moon fish sinigang, you know, with this kangkong leaves with okra, with a hot sauce. What they call that now? The tamarind sauce powder. That's all I use. So now this is my noodles also. Wow, this is delicious, really good, yummy, yummy. Okay. Oh, try my noodles. You know, this is fried noodle bihon with only chicken and cabbage, carrot, and celery, and that's it. Perfect, guys. No comment. Really good. That's it. Now I'm done with my fried noodles, guys. So I'll show you the result of my fried noodle, okay? Okay. See this one, guys?